So this is a video of an egg, and actually not an egg. It's called Mr. Sandtimer. Let's go meet him. So he's up here with other friends. This is the meeting area. You've never seen the meeting area before.
Yeah, he doesn't talk at all. He just looks at you.
Only the other people talk?
Yeah, but sometimes he might talk and say, "Hey, what's your name?" I want to be him. "Hey, what's your name?"
My name is Mr. Motorcycle. So your name is Mr. Sandtimer.
Yeah. You want me watch this when I flip over the sand. See it coming.
How many minutes are you? Are you like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 4 minutes?
I'm actually 2 minutes, but it's kind of long.
So 2 minutes long, eh? So, maybe we should go down the slide. I wanted to show you this.
I want to show you too.
Started it. So, this is the construction where there's, a lot of things you can't pass.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another egg timer.
Yeah.
Who won? Are you guys friends?
Yeah. He's also 2 minutes too long. We're the same number.
It seems like the blue one's a little longer. But don't come in from this way, because there's construction. You can come in from this way. But if you want to go in the parking lot area, you go in here.
But we'll both flip over together, so it takes long for you to figure out what to do.
This has to be 2 minutes.
Well, maybe
Hope it's not longer than 5 minutes.
Yeah, but come on, try and find a way.
Of which is longer?
Yeah.
I think the blue one's longer.
No, to find a way out of the construction before the timer runs out.
Oh, it's like a game.
Hurry up before the timer runs out.
Is this the way?
No, try and go this way to get out.
This way. Did I know the right way?
No.
I found the right way. So guys, I want you to meet Creeper.
Whoa.
He used to be by the slide. He must be coming down. So, he's a really cute creeper.
Put down and slide together.
He also sounds cute.
Oh no! What's gonna happen? Oh no! There's some sand timers coming down the slide. I don't like sand timers. Oh! Help me!
Yeah!
That really hurt a lot, guys. Oh, I know what Mr. Motorcycle could show you. This lovely boat.
So guys, this is where we have our boat ride with Truckster and Big Motorcycle, my big bro.
Whoa, that's really cool.
So now anyway, I think we also want to show you the whole family. Come with us to get the rest of the video done. Okay. Bye-bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and like. Yeah, subscribe and like, and hit the bell. And give a comment. Yeah, give a comment.
Yeah, bye.